Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica and I create videos on cleaning, lifestyle, organization, and motherhood. So if you like those kind of videos, make sure to subscribe. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, a speed clean with me. I'll be cleaning the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, and doing some laundry. And this is while the kids are home from school for the summer. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I can see a picture in my head as I was spinning. I could always tell it was the end of the beginning. When you're coming over here, there's no need for pretending. I try not to be careless with the signals that you're sending. I got
to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.